Hi friends, this is Aditi from Jasmine Diao, and today I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be, as you probably saw from the title, is to make homemade stickers. And I'm just going to be teaching you a way to make homemade stickers, and I actually like doing this a lot. Like, I've done a lot of stickers already and used them, and I think they work. And you can do anything you want. You can print them out and you can get any sticker you want, or you can just draw them out like I'm going to be showing you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you will, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Now let's actually get into the video. What you'll need for this craft is paper. I'm using one sheet because I'm not making a big sticker. Need tape, we need colors. I'm just picking these two colors because I'm gonna make something out of these two colors, scissors and parchment paper, and I'm pretty sure that's it. So yeah, let's get into the actual tutorial. So you guys, now I'm on voiceover, but anyways, the first step is to take paper and colors. These are just the colors I picked. You can also use pencil to sketch it out, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna just use the marker straight up. So what I'm gonna do is get my yellow marker and start drawing the bottom half. You might have already guessed what I'm making, but yeah. Now I'm done with the yellow, and I'm gonna use the green to draw the top part. Now let's go to step 2. Now we take the scissors and snip, snip, snip. This is how mine turned out. Like this. It's a pineapple, you guys. I don't know if anyone didn't guess it, but yeah. Now we take the tape and, just like I'm doing, cover it over the sticker you made. This is how it should look. Now we're gonna take the scissors and snip off the tape, but we're not gonna snip it off fully. We're gonna leave a little left like I'm doing. Let me just show you guys. And it's okay if it's not perfect. I just bubble cut and it works as long as it's clear tape, because you can't really tell when you put it on. So just like this, I cut it off, but I didn't cut the whole thing off. And don't do that because we need this. Now we need the parchment paper and tape and, of course, the sticker. Take a piece just like that and stick it on the non-sticky side of the tape. So like that's the sticky side and this is the non-sticky side, and you just take your sticker and just stick it on the non-sticky side, and it should stick since you had a little left over on your border last time. So it should look like something like this. Now take your scissors and just snip it like a little bit, not like the whole thing again. Do it exactly like you did the other one, but not the whole thing. And it should look something like this. Now take your parchment paper and just stick your sticker on the parchment paper like this. It should look something like this. Now take your scissors and snip exactly like how you did the tape, not fully.
Fantastic.
this is the end result, you guys. It actually works. So you take the parchment paper off and it's fully sticky. You can stick it on your shirt, or like I'm doing on my hand. It doesn't fall off. And it actually was hurting really bad when I did this, but I suffered the pain. But yeah, that's how it works. So bye.